How to change language in Plex Movie App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can change language in Plex app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, locate your Plex app and then open it up. After you open it up, make sure you're logged in into your account. Now what you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you do that, head over to the settings option. And after you're on your settings, you will need to head over to account. So tap on account. And after you tap on account, you'll find the language option. Tap on language. And from here, you can select the language that you want. So I'll just change it to Spanish. And there we go. Let me just go through that. And there you can see now my Plex will now be on Spanish. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. And also stay tuned for more. Bye-bye and take care.